it. It only took like 20 minutes to make. I mean, the stock took a little bit longer, so I'd say about an hour and 10 minutes altogether it took to make this beautiful soup, which I've been becoming a fan of soups. So, okay, so I have my perfectly stock here, which probably could be a consommé, but I'm gonna keep it. And I kept it out. I mean, in a professional restaurant, yeah, you're gonna have to use the ice. You're gonna have to go towards standards. You're gonna ice it down. You're gonna put it in an ice bath, and you're gonna follow all the sanitation procedures, which is fun. Anyways, but here it's just me, and I come from old school, probably old school European. I remember there was a chef we had in our culinary class, and he used to say Americans. He would nod his head. Okay, so my stock, I just I'm letting it cool down. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. No harm. It's not gonna go crazy. It's vegetables, for crying out loud. It's not gonna hurt to leave it out for a minute. The Albondiga soup is ready. I can't wait to try it. It's beautiful. I'm going to put it in my soup bowl. I'm just gonna have one. Oh, if I'm gonna have, yeah, I'm just gonna have one. And I'm going to place my soup. This is so good if you have a strict diet. You want to garnish it with some more herbs, you can. You want to garnish it with a little Parmesan cheese, you can. But I'm not. I'm going to eat it like this because I already had a piece of cheese. Anyways, you serve it on a soup bowl, and there you have it. You have my albondigas, my delicious albondigas with lots of vegetables, some cabbage, and some delicious zucchini. Okay, I will talk to you later. I might garnish it with this that I put on the side, the remnants of the stock. Who knows? Maybe I will. I'll just put some fresh herbs in it. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.